Welcome to Welland Toyota T.V. My name is Colin Devantier. I will be your product advisor for today. I'd like to introduce you to the Highlander XLE All-Wheel Drive, the winner of the IIHS Safety Award. So I'll point out the new front design of the Highlander. It has chrome accents, kind of more of an edgier look than they had in the previous models. In behind here, we have the radar cruise control mounted behind the beautiful logo. The radar cruise control, what that does for you is it actually sets the distance between you and the car in front of you when you're cruising. You can set your speed and now your distance. Next, I'd also like to point out in the front hood here, underneath the hood, we have 295 horse with an 8-speed transmission. Still really good on gas. They've also included a stop-start technology at stoplights. So your engine will actually literally kick off at a stop sign. Now moving down the back, we also have the alloy wheel rims and beautiful Michelin tires. Rear lights are LED. And we have the back hatch that actually opens up, very handy for families putting groceries in without having to lift the whole gate up. Okay, so now I'd like to introduce you to inside the vehicle. Now, it does have the keyless entry, so literally you can keep your key in your pocket, walk up to your door, and on proximity, it'll recognize that you're coming and unlock the door. Moving inside here, we have the automatic high beams. So the automatic high beams will, when it's on, you can automatically put it on and it'll kick down. So if somebody's coming towards you, the lights will kick down. Moving on to the other side, we have the heated seats for your comfort. You can adjust it and it has an actual dial for both sides. I like to keep the vehicle into snow mode if a very ugly day out there. It definitely comes in handy. It keeps the all-wheel drive at its ready. Moving up, we have the dual climate control so that you can have different temperatures for your passenger and yourself. So moving up to our screen here, we have touch-sensitive sensors here that actually goes through each display function. It's very easy to use. It's very user-friendly. You can pair your phone very easily. On the steering wheel, we have all the Toyota safety sense we had mentioned earlier. The radar cruise control sensor is here that you can adjust. And then also you have the lane assist in the Toyota safety sense. Lane assist essentially means that if you are drifting outside your lanes, it'll track the lines in the road. And if you move over, it'll beep at you. If you keep going over, it'll actually assist you back into your lane. With Toyota Safety Sense, we also have the pre-collision system. The pre-collision system, what it does is it will actually apply the brakes and verbally alert you if it detects an accident pending. So it'll actually detect a pedestrian walking across the street or a car slamming in front of you, and it'll detect that and apply the brakes for you. I hope you enjoyed our video today. Please come on down to Welland Toyota and talk to any of our product advisors regarding the Highlander or any other vehicle that you might be interested in. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel or like us on Facebook. Thanks for watching.